In this video, you will see the Iran that the Western media will never show you. Iran has experiencing heavy rain in Fars and Bushehr provinces for nearly a week. There are about 10 days left until the end of the year in Iran. Every point on this road has a beauty for you, and all this beauty is the work of nature. If you want to see this beautiful road, you should go from Shiraz to Bushehr. The name of this beautiful road is Borazjan. If you are planning a trip to Iran or want to see special places in Iran, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.